Eating glutinous rice balls during the winter solstice is a traditional custom in the south. Yuan means gather. Eating glutinous rice balls on the winter solstice is also called winter solstice yuan, which means a sweet potato soup is made by boiling sweet potatoes and glutinous rice balls together. You can also add a little fermented rice if you like. Eating sweet potato soup during the winter solstice means turning over all the bad luck in the past year. In the past, you could still get a good fortune that would increase your luck. Sweet potatoes, ginger, pandan leaves, Tangyuan, sliced ginger, cubes sweet potatoes, wash pandan leaf and tie a knot. Add all ingredients into pot. Once cooked, add sugar to taste. Add Tangyuan. Once Tangyuan floats, mean it's cooked. Delicious sweet potatoes Tangyuan dessert is done. This dessert is delicious with sweet potato sweetness and soft and sweet glutinous rice balls. Cook this dessert and share it with your family too. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. YouTube, friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I often use the same ingredients for variations, suitable for small families to cook with one ingredient, come up with 2 or even 3 different dishes. YouTube, there are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, ya. Tangyuan are all made of glutinous rice flour. Tips: before making glutinous rice balls, you can knead the filling evenly into shape so that the wrapped glutinous rice balls will be white and beautiful. When making glutinous rice balls, the most important thing is to beat the dough. The size of the dough must be uniform, so that the wrapped glutinous rice balls will be the same size. Then wrap the stuffing in like a dumpling and gently roll it into a round shape with both hands. The rounder the better. It is said that glutinous rice balls originated in the Song Dynasty. A novel food that emerged in Ningzhou, now Ningbo City, Zhejiang Province at that time, was stuffed with black sesame and lard, a little sugar added, and the outside was rolled into a round shape with glutinous rice flour. After cooking, it tasted sweet and soft. Nuo, endless aftertaste. At the same time, glutinous rice balls symbolize family reunion, and eating glutinous rice balls also means family happiness and reunion in the new year. So it is a must-have delicacy during the Lantern Festival, on the 15th day of the Generally speaking, northern Yuanxiu or Tangyuan fillings are mostly sweet, including sugar, bean paste, sesame, hawthorn, etc., while southern ones have sweet, salty, meat, or vegetarian fillings. So when it comes to salty Yuanxiu or Tangyuan, many people will think that it is unique to the south. Tangyuan is a food based on glutinous rice and contains a lot of sugar. The high-fat filling added to it brings a lot of energy. So although glutinous rice balls look small, they contain very high calories. Generally speaking, after eating 3-4 stuffed glutinous rice balls, you have basically absorbed the calories of a usual meal of rice. Eating Yuanxiu or glutinous rice balls on an empty stomach may cause acid reflux, heartburn, and other discomforts, so it is not suitable to eat them. However, after dinner, there is little activity and slow gastric emptying, so it is not suitable to eat Yuanxiu or glutinous rice balls. In contrast, lunch has the strongest digestive capacity, and moderate consumption has the least burden on digestive function. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.